Hi everyone. Today, we will show you how to create your own custom template on Canva for social media posts, presentations, or documents. Canva makes it easy to design reusable templates that save time and keep your style consistent. Let's get started. On your Canva dashboard, go to your templates. Click on Templates at the top of your page or on the left side. Either option works, so just click it. Once you are here, choose the template you want based on your needs. When you have found one you like, just click it. Next, click Customize this template. On the editing page, make the changes you want. Update the text as needed. When you are happy with your edits, you can also add or copy more pages. Copy this template page to reuse it across other pages in your design. Once finished, click Save. Canva saves automatically, but it is always good to save manually as well. When you are done editing, switch to Preview mode to check how your template looks. Once you are satisfied, click here to save it to your Canva. You can then use it anytime you need it. We now have a reusable template ready to go in Canva. With this simple method, we can keep our designs consistent, stay organized, and make our work look professional.